Okay, first grade, you're going to be creating your own little coloring sheet today. I thought that would be a lot funner than just handing out coloring sheets, that you could actually create your own. So you will have a blank sheet of paper today, and you will have a cup. And this cup is going to be your tracer to give you those perfect size little balls for the ornaments. So you will have to share your cups today with your shoulder partners. The very first thing you're going to do is you have to get 5 ornaments on your paper. In order to do that, you're going to do one in the center. You notice on here, I have one in the center and I have 2 on each side. So you are going to put one right in the center of your paper. Now you will be using pencil to do this. I am using marker. You will go back and trace your ornaments in black marker. All right, and then I'm going to put 2 over here, and I'm going to put 2 over here. I'm going to pause it. Okay, so this is about what it should look like when you're done tracing. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just need 5 ornaments on your paper, no less, no more. Now we have to turn it into ornaments. We have to add some detail so that it doesn't just look like circles, because there's lots of things that look like circles, so we have to give it just a little more detail so that you know that it is an ornament. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding these little ornate hooks up at the top of the ornament, and that's what's going to make it look like an ornament. So we're going to actually do this the one in the center, we're going to actually make it a little more decorative. We're actually going to put a bow on it. So I want you to start at the one in the center, and first of all we're just going to put a long rectangle, a long one, okay, not a short fat one. We want a long rectangle. Perfect. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put almost like a little oval right there on top of it. We're going to make the bow. Okay, now we're going to do almost like a little sideways heart. We're going to do that on both sides. It's almost like a little sideways heart. If you even want to turn your paper sideways and put a heart on it, you can do it that way. That's what's wonderful about art. We can turn our papers wherever we need it to go. All right, now we're going to do a ribbon behind it, and we're just going to come out. We're going to come down, and then we're going to connect it. We do the same thing on this side. Go out, come down, kind of slant it up. You slant it a little bit, it looks a little more realistic. Now we're going to put a hook right on the top of that. Okay. Now our other ones, we're not going to be quite as fancy. If you want to add another bow or add something, you can, but we're just going to go ahead and simply turn these into ornaments. Now my ornament here is coming off the page. That's okay. I'm going to go up and pretend like my hook is right there. Perfect. Again, we're going to put that rectangle on top, and we're going to put a hook. And you can have these hooks go in whatever direction you want. I just want mine that way. All right, again, I'm putting and my hook's coming off the page there. And that's okay, because that looks really realistic. All right, and then of course you can put whatever you would like inside of your ornaments. This is just some ideas. Okay, so in my first one, I'm doing big circles, little circles. You want to balance it out. I'm even having them wrap around to make it look a little more realistic. Have them wrap around. I'm going to add one there. All right. My next one, I think I'm going to put little hearts. Hearts are a lot easier than stars. You can do big hearts, medium hearts, small hearts. Okay. Now I think I just want some wavy lines. And again, you can do whatever you want with your ornaments. This is my ornaments. Perfect. And now I think I'm going to do a big snowflake in the center. I'm just going to put some little lines that stick out on the ends of each of them. Perfect. And maybe I want that. And then maybe I want some curved lines and zigzag lines. It's your picture. You can do whatever you want. These are just ideas. And then I'm going to add some big bubbles in the background. You could do snowflakes. You could do whatever you would like. If you wanted to do the little snowflakes in the background, you could put whatever you want that's kind of floating in the background. And then when you're done, you get to color it with marker, and you've created your own coloring sheet. Have fun!